United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates (UAE), or simply the Emirates, is a country in West Asia, in the Middle East, at the eastern end of the Arabian Peninsula. It is a federal elective monarchy made up of 7 emirates, with Abu Dhabi serving as its capital. It shares land border with Oman to the east and northwest, or northeast, and with Saudi Arabia to the southwest, as well as maritime border in the Persian Gulf with Qatar and Iran, and with Oman in the Gulf of Oman. As of
Dubai International
2024,
Airport.
the UAE has an estimated population of over 10 million, of which 11% are Emirates. Dubai is its most populous city and is an international hub. Islam is the official religion and Arabic is the official lingua, while English is the most spoken lingua and the lingua of business. Now, the United Arab Emirates oil and natural gas reserves are the world's 7 and the 7 largest, respectively. Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, ruler of Abu Dhabi and the country president oversaw the development of the Emirates by investing oil revenues into healthcare, education, and infrastructure. The country has the most diversified economy among the member of the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC). In the 21st century, the UAE has become less reliant on oil and gas and is economically focusing on tourism and business. The UAE is considered a middle power. It is also a member of the United Nations, Arab League, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OPEC, Non-Aligned Movement, World Trade Organization, and which the UAE is also a dialogue partner of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Economy. Main article economy of the United Arab Emirates. Burj Khalifa, the tallest man-made structure in the world, located in the Dubai. The Emirate Arab or the United Arab Emirates has developed from a juxtaposition of Bedowi tribes to one of the world wealthiest state in only about 50 years, boasting one of the highest GDP PPP per capita figures in the world. Economic growth has been impressive and steady throughout the history of this young confederation of Emirates, with brief period of recession only in the global financial and economic crisis years 2008 to 2009, and a couple of more mixed years start in 2015 and persisting until 2019. But when 2018 average Royal Group domestic product or GDP growth was at close to 4%. It is the second largest economy in the GCC after Saudi Arabia, with a nominal gross domestic product GDP of US dollar 400 2014, the 2 billion, and a royal GDP of 392.8 billion. Construct 2010 USD in 2018. Since its independence in 1971, the UAE economy has grown by nearly 231 times to 1.45 trillion AED in 2013. The non-oil trade has grown to 1.2 trillion AED, a growth by around 28 times from 1981 to 2012, supported by the world's 7 largest oil reserves and aided by prudent investment, coupled with a resolute commitment to economic liberation and strong government oversight. The UAE has witnessed its real GDP increase by more than 30% over the past 4 decades. Present, the UAE is among the wealthiest countries globally, with GDP per capita nearly 80% higher than the OECD average. Dubai International Financial Center, World Trade Center Abu Dhabi, as impressive as economic growth has been in the UAE, the total population has increased from just around 550,000 in 1975 to close to 10 million in 2018. This growth is mainly due to the influx of foreign workers into the country, making the national population a minority. The UAE features a unequal labor market system in which residents in the UAE is conditional on strict. As a result, this system is a major advantage in terms of macroeconomic stability, as labor supply adjusts quickly to demand throughout economic business cycles. This also the government to keep unemployment in the country on a very low level of less than 3%, and it also gives the government more leverage in terms of macroeconomics or macroeconomics policies, where other government often need to make trade-off between fighting unemployment and fighting inflation. Between 2014 and 2018, the accommodation and food education, information and communication, art and recreation, and real estate sector overperformance in terms of growth, where the construction, logistics, professional service, public and oil and gas sector underperformance. As for competitiveness, in June 2024, it was reported that the UAE has moved up their place to the 7th place among the top 10 countries in the EMD World Competitiveness. The ranking is issued by the World Competitiveness Center of the Institute for Management Development (EMD) in Switzerland. Business and finance. The UAE is the Abu Dhabi secondly ranked as the 26th best country in the world for doing business by the Doing Business 2070 report published by the World Bank Group. The UAE are in the top rank of several other global indicators such as the World Economic Forum's WEF Global Competitiveness Index (GCI), the World Happiness Report
Thank you for watching. See you now.
WHR, and 32 in the Global Innovation Index in 2024. The Economist Intelligence until AEU, I think the UAE ranked 2 regional in terms of business environment and 2020 world with from the 2018 Arab Youth Survey. The UAE emerges as the top Arab country in areas such as living safety and security, economic opportunities, and starting a business, and as an example for other states the emulate. The weakest point remains the level of education across the UAE population, limitation in the financial and labor markets, barrier to trade, and some regulation that either business dynamics. The major challenge for the country top remain translating investment and strong enabling condition into innovation and creative outputs. UAE law does not allow trade union to exist. The risks to collective bargaining and the risk to strict are not recognized, and the Minister of Labor has the power to force workers to go back to work. Migrant workers who participate in a strike can have their work permit cancelled and be deported. Consequently, there are very few anti-discrimination laws in relative to labor issues with Emiratis and other GCC Arabs getting preference in public sector job despite lesser credentials than competitors and lower motivation. In fact, just over 8% of Emirati workers hold government posts, with many of the risks taking part in the state-owned enterprise such as Emirates Airlines and Dubai Properties. Western Strait, including the United Kingdom, were also warned by the Emirati Trade Minister Jan bin Ahmed Al Jayodi to keep politics separate from trade and the economy, as it dilutes the agreement's main objectives in 2023. Al-Jayoudi indicated the country should turn down the women and workers' trade provision, the trade deals, in order to gain greater market access and business opportunities. The UAE monetary policy trade stability and predictability. The central bank of the UAE CBU keeps effect to the US dollar USD and move interest rate close to federal fund rate. According to rating, the decline in property sector follow risk of
This is
progressive
$123 million
worsening
mansion.
the quality of
Okay,
the asset
let's check it out.
in possession.
So before we
with
even get
UAE
inside,
banks
look at this.
leading the
We've got our water
economy
feature,
to
got your very own paddle
ahead.
port.
Even though as compared
got our lounge
to
area,
retail and property,
Beautiful light
UAE bank
feature.
fared well.
and all the
The biggest
is
US
Bentley. We've got our
interest
pool,
rates
and of
followed
course,
since
you've got your
2016,
jacuzzi.
with the
Kitchen
UAE
area, and this is all
currency
Italian
complete to have
marble.
boosted profitability.
Same
However,
like
the
staircase, we've
likelihood
got this light
of
feature on the wall.
look
Got our walk-in wardrobe.
interest
and this
rates
is our
and
master
increasing
bedroom.
provisioning
Area.
costs on
Overlooks the
bedrooms
water with the
point
balcony.
the difficult
Got our
them
marble
ahead for the
bathtub.
economy.
You know. white
Dubai Marina
marble. And this big
Skyline
shower. Walk-in
since
wardrobe,
2015.
But
Economic growth has been more mixed due to
What a
a number of
secret
factors
Inside,
impacting both
you walk in safe.
demand and supply. In 2016 and 2018,
So this is where you keep all
growth
your
has been
precious things.
positive
Let me show
but
you the
on a low level of
Private
0.8
cinema.
and
This is your
1.4%
cigar lounge. But it also
respectively.
overlooks with 15
To support the
car
economy, the
garage.
government is
All your
currently
cars
following
can live
an
down here.
expansionary
You've got
fiscal
a big
policy.
balcony that
However, the
overlooks
effect
the
of
sea,
this
and
policy
you've
are
got the Dubai
partially
skyline.
offset
So when
by
you buy this
monetary
property,
policy,
also get
which
that
has been
plot of land.
contractionary, if not for the fiscal stimulus in 2018. The UAE economy would probably have countered in the years one of the sectors responsible for slower growth has been a credit crunch, which is due to, among other factors, bigger interest rates. Government debt has remained on a low level, despite the deficits in a few recent years, which relative to government debt remain low. Inflation has been picking up in 2017 and 2018, contributing factor with the introduction of a value tax VAT of 5% in 2018, as well as bigger commodity prices. Despite the government expansionary fiscal policy and growing economy in 2018 and at the beginning of 2019, prices have been dropping in late 2018 and 2020. Owing the oversupply in some sector of importance to consumer price, the UAE has an attractive tax system for companies and wealthy individuals, making it a preferred destination for companies seeking the tax avoidance. The Nego Tax Justice Network is named in 2021 in the group of the 10 largest tax havens. In 2023, the UAE the system fall or fell under information scrutiny as a member of the British Parliament opened an inquiry into how the foreign business executive are treated in the country in case of association of breaking the law. 2024 will be the third consecutive year that the UAE all first place as the world lending world magnet as 6,700 migrants are set to move to the country. With the UAE government implement value added tax VAT in the country from 1 January 2018 at a standard rate of 5%, with the government may still adjust the accept agreement of the VAT. It is not likely that any new taxes will be introduced in the foreseeable future. Additional tax will destroy one of the UAE main entitlements from business to operate in the country and put a heavily burden on the economy. Energy main article energy in the United Arab Emirates. See also solar power in the United Arab Emirates. The West revenue is the world's largest single state oil revenue in the world and the biggest in the Middle East. Oil and gas production in us are an important part of the economy of the UAE in 2018. The oil and gas sector contributed 26% to overall GDP. The UAE leadership initiated economic diversification effort even before the oil price crashed in the 1980, resulting in the UAE having the most diversified economy in the Middle East and North African MENA region at times. Although the oil and gas sector continues to be significant to the UAE economy, their efforts have yielded great resilience during periods of oil price fluctuation and economic turbulence. The introduction of the VAT has provided the government with an additional sources of income, approximately 6% of the total revenue in 2018, or 27 billion United Arab Emirates dirham (AED), affording its fiscal policy more independent from oil and gas related revenue, which constitute about 36% of the total government revenue. The Barakah nuclear power plant is the first of the Arabian Peninsula and expected to reduce the carbon footprint of the country. The UAE has solar generation potential and its energy policy achieves to the decline price of solar. The Dubai Clean Energy Strategy aims to provide 7% of the Dubai energy from clean energy sources by 2020. It will increase this target to 25% by 2023, now 2030, and 7% by 2050. In 2013, or 2023, Adnods and its CEO Sultan Al Jaber closed at plus 20 business deals worth nearly $100 billion. The Tet oil firm was alleged of exploiting the UAE COP28 presidency to pursue oil and gas deals. As per local document, Al Jaber team target 16 national to lobby firms, delegates or minister on such deals are not so deal with companies from 12 countries. This includes 11 of the 16 target nations. Al Jaber and senior EDNOC official open disclosed deals. COP28 organizing team were excluded from meeting and replaced by EDNOC officials, leaving a closed group that made deals. Tourism. Main article tourism in the United Arab Emirates. Palm Jumeirah in Dubai, the Dubai Mall. Tourism as just a growth sector for the entry UAE economy. Dubai is the top tourism destination in the Middle East, according to the annual Mastercard Global Destination Cities Index. Dubai is the most populous tourism destination in the world. Dubai held up to 60% of
In Dubai, we don't say enough.
share
We
of
say khalas. In Dubai, we don't say you know.
the
we say
UAE
man.
tourism economy,
In
with
Dubai, we
Abu
don't
Dhabi
say
having
my love, we say
16%
In
of
Dubai, we don't say let's go. We say
and sah.
yallah. In Dubai, we don't say
Harja.
wow. We say mashallah.
10% Dubai welcomed 10 million tourism in 2013. The UAE has the most advanced and developed infrastructure in the region since the 1918. The UAE has been spending billions of dollars on infrastructure. These developments are particularly evident in the largest emirate of Abu Dhabi and Dubai. The Northern Emirates are rapidly following suit, providing major incentive for developers of residential and commercial property. The inbound tourism expenditure in the UAE for 2019 accounted for 118.6% share of the outbound tourism expenditure since 6 January 2020. Tourism visa to the United Arab Emirates are valid for 5 years. It has been projected that the travel and tourism industry will contribute about 280.6 billion United Arab Emirates dirham to the UAE GDP by 2028. The country major tourism attraction included the famous Burj Khalifa in the Dubai, the latest tower in the world Archipelago and Palm Jumeirah, also in Dubai, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque and Yas Marina Suite in Abu Dhabi, Al Hajar Mountain in Fujairah, the uniqueness of the country natural desert life, especially with the Bedouins, also facilitates the country tourism industry. Transport. Main article transport in United Arab Emirates. Dubai International Airport became the busiest airport in the world by international passenger traffic in 2014, overtaking London Heathrow. Abu Dhabi International Airport is the second largest airport in the UAE due to the announced expansion of Al Maktoum Airport on 28 April 2024. Dubai International Airport will be shut down once Al Maktoum Airport expansion will be completed. A311, a major road in the UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quain and Ras Al Khaimah are connected by the A11 Highway, which is the longest road in the UAE in Dubai. In addition to the Dubai Metro, the Dubai Tram and Palm Jumeirah monorail also connects flagship part of the city. There is also a bus taxi, Abra traditional boat and water taxi network run by RTA. T1, a double-decker tram system in downtown Dubai, but operation from 2015 to 2019. Salim main open or clear in Dubai's electronic toll collection system that was launched in July 2007 and is part of Dubai's traffic congestion management system. As in one spaces stock a Salik tolling point, a toll is deducted from the prepaid toll account using advanced radio frequency identification RFID technology. There are 4 Salik tolling points placed in strategic locations in Dubai: at Al Maktoum Bridge, Al Garhour Bridge, and along Said Road at Al Safa and Al Faisal. A Dubai Metro train. Dubai Metro is the Arabian Peninsula rapid train system and was the world's largest, longest reverse metro network until 2016. 1,200 km or 750 mi country railway is under construction, which will connect all the major cities and ports. 262 in the world. The Dubai Metro is the biggest urban train network in the Arabian Peninsula. 263. The major part of the United Arab Emirates are Khalifa, Port Said, Port Jabal Ali, Port Reis, Port Khalid, Port Said, and Port Fakan. 264. The Emirates are increasing developing their logistics and port in order to participate in trade between Europe and China. Of Africa, first the purpose port are being rapid expanded and investment are being made in their technology. The Emirates have historical been and currently still are part of the maritime Silk Road that run from the Chinese coast to the south via the southern tip of India to Mombasa. From there to the sea via the Suez Canal to the Mediterranean, there to the upper Adriatic region and the northern Italian route of trade with its rail connection to Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and the North Sea. Telecommunication. The United Arab Emirates is served by 2 telecommunication operators, Etisalat and Emirates Integrated Telecommunication Company (DU). Etisalat operated a monopoly until the launched mobile service in February 2007. Internet subscribers were expected to increase from 0.904 million in 2007 to 2.66 million in 2012. The regulator, the Telecommunication Regulator Authority, mandates filtering websites from religious, political, and sexual content. 5G will service will install nation within 2090. Top up partnership with Huawei.